Well, in this unboxing video, we're going to have a look at the big brother in the Mean Mother air compressor range. This is called the Adventurer 2 4x4 air compressor. Hate to deliver the bad news, but again, it looks pretty much like the rest of the compressors we have seen, with a few notable exceptions. So let's see if this is just a bigger unit compared to their Maxi 4x4 compressor we just had a look at, or if there are actually any features worth noting. Okay, so the same looking battery clamps there. We've got the circuit breaker right next to the on-off switch. There's a little bit of plumber's tape here, which is to be expected, but you'd think you can pick up on that before shipping it out. Now the unit looks to be bolted together straight. No rattles or anything there. No foam on the handle, but only a few have had that design. Interestingly, there's a little bit of a chip or a cut here, obviously where the steel's been cut or folded with a blemish, but again, shouldn't affect the actual usability of the compressor. Now this hose is exactly the same as the smaller Mean Mother Maxi. Got the little clip-on fitting there with the what looks like the option of a screw-on as well, and we've got this generic tyre pressure gauge with the purge valve on the back, and rubber coating on these quick connect fittings. Always good to see. So now all that's left to do is to see how it performs. I'll be very interested to see if there's much of a difference between this and the smaller Mean Mother Maxi compressor, and I'm just dying to put this generic, as we're calling it, style of compressor up against each other to find out if there are any differences or if we're really just paying for badge engineering.